matter has proton, electron, and neutron center. I see three. I hear three. I've always known it's three. Does it matter? Not really. But let's take a look at why real quick. Because you have longitudinal helix, and the travel of the third helix is parallel to the other two. So you have fill-in for your DNA. See how it works? It's not a double helix. All things in nature are threefold. Since day one, I have said this motherfucker here may have gotten a download, but his download is tweaked. He's got some good information, though, that if you go and look at his little drawings, he can help you read a hieroglyph. Since day one, I've been saying his fucking physics are fucked, but it's his drawings that are going to help him. This guy's physics are fucked. They have been right down to the base of this fucking download. But now he's still trying to prove the moon isn't going to be confounded in the day with another obscure fucking verse. And the moon will be confounded. Isaiah 24:23, confounded. The Bible says confounded. He lies about everything that comes out of his fucking mouth.